The beauty of the Schluter system is that it's waterproof when the membrane or Kerdi board is installed and the seams are taped, which will allow us to put this shower in a full service for the time we are taking time off for the holidays. So we have everything, obviously we tested it and just put up this zip wall shower enclosure. So we are pretty much going to the full service here, even when the walls are not tiled. Yeah, I hopefully have a chance to swing by, take the clips off sometimes. But other than that, we are having obviously vanity in, getting the drawer modified so it bypasses the plumbing for the sink, and everything's in good working order. So we tested the shower, everything's good to go, and yeah. This is it for this year. This is the last project, last touch. So we'll be back in January, finish all the tile and wrap this up and get the glass in. So thank you for watching.